friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are discuss about the post graduation courses after BSc Physics. So let's see guys. Post graduation courses after BSc Physics. After BSc Physics, you can apply for many courses to get ahead in your field. Some of the courses are acoustical physics, astrophysics, astronomy, biophysics, fiber optical physics, fluid physics, geophysics, material physics, medical or health physics, molecular physics, nuclear physics, optical physics, and plasma physics. Now let's see in detail what we have to study in these courses. First one is the acoustical physics. Acoustic is a branch of physics that deals with the study of mechanical waves in gases, liquids, and solids, including topics such as vibration, sound, ultrasound, and infrasound. A scientist who works in the field of acoustic is an acoustician, while someone working in the field of acoustic technology may be called an acoustical engineer. The application of acoustic is present in almost all the aspects of the modern society, with the most obvious being the audio and noise control industries. Second one is the astrophysics. Astrophysics is a branch of space science that applies the laws of physics and chemistry to explain the birth, life, and death of stars, planets, galaxies, nebulae, and other objects in the universe. Third one is the astronomy. Astronomy is the study of everything in the universe beyond the Earth's atmosphere. That includes objects we can see with our naked eyes, like the sun, the moon, the planet, and the stars. It also includes objects we can only see with the telescope or other instruments, like faraway galaxies and tiny particles. Number 4, plasma physics. Plasma physics is the study of charged particles and fluids interacting with self consistent electric and magnetic fields. It is a basic research discipline that has many different areas of applications: space and astrophysics, controlled fusion, accelerator physics, and beam storage. Number 5, fluid physics. Fluid mechanics is the branch of physics concerned with the mechanics of fluids, liquids, gases, and plasmas, and the forces on them. It has applications in a wide range of disciplines, including mechanical, civil, chemical, and biomedical engineering, geophysics, oceanography, meteorology, and astrophysics and biology. Number 6, geophysics. Geophysics is a subject of natural science concerned with the physical process and physical properties of the earth and its surrounding space environment, and the use of quantitative methods for their analysis. Number 7, material physics. Material physics is the use of physics to describe the physical properties of the materials. It is a synthesis of a physical science such as chemistry, solid mechanics, solid state physics, and material science. Material physics is considered a subset of condensed matter physics and applies fundamental condensed matter concepts to complex multiphase media, including material of a technological interest. Current fields that material physicists works in include electronic, optical, and magnetic materials, novel materials and structures, quantum phenomena in materials, non-equilibrium physics, and soft condensed matter physics. New experimental and computational tools are constantly improving how material systems are modeled and studied, and are also fields when material physicists work in. Number 8, medical or health physics. Medical health physics is a profession dedicated to the protection of healthcare providers, members of the public, and patients from unwarranted radiation exposure. Medical health physicists must be knowledgeable in the principles of health physics and in the applications of the radiation in a medicine. Number 9, nuclear physics. Nuclear physics is the field of physics that studies atomic nuclei and their constituents and interactions, in addition to the study of other forms of the nuclear matter. Discoveries in nuclear physics have led to applications in many fields. This includes nuclear power, nuclear weapons, nuclear medicines, magnetic resonance imaging, industrial and agricultural isotopes, ion implantation in material engineering, and radiocarbon dating in geology and archaeology. Such applications are studied in the field of nuclear engineering. Number 10, this is the last one. Optics is the branch of physics that studies the behavior and properties of the light, including its interaction with the matter and the construction of instruments that use or detect it. Optics usually describe the behavior of a visible, ultraviolet, and infrared light. Because light is an electromagnetic wave, other forms of the electromagnetic radiation, such as X rays, microwaves, and radio waves, exhibit similar properties. Thank you. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.